Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 74 mining overmen, 103 Sardar post vacancy in National Thermal Power Corporation. Eligibility: Diploma in Mining Engineering, 10th with Sardar certificate with experience. Age limit: maximum 57 years. Last date for application 15 March 2022. Salary: 40,000 for Sardar and 50,000 for mining overman. 199 upper divisional clerk, 18 stenographer, 65 multitasking staff post vacancy in Employee State Insurance Corporation for Karnataka region. Eligibility: 10th 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for upper divisional clerk and stenographer, 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Last date for application 15 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 4 for UDC and stenographer, pay level 1 for MTS. 7 upper divisional clerk, 2 stenographer, 26 multitasking staff post vacancy in Employee State Insurance Corporation for Andhra Pradesh region. Eligibility: 10th 12th graduation. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for upper divisional clerk and stenographer, 18 to 25 years for multitasking staff. Last date for application 15 February 2022. Salary as per pay level 4 for upper divisional clerk and stenographer, pay level 1 for multitasking staff. 313 mining Sardar post vacancy in Eastern Coalfields Limited. Eligibility: 12th with mining Sardar certificate. Apply between 20 February 2022 and 10 March 2022. Salary Rs 31,852. Indian Oil vacancy for technical assistant and engineering assistant. Eligibility: ITI, diploma in engineering. Age limit between 18 to 26 years. Last date for application 18 February 2022. Salary as per pay scale 23,000 to 78,000 for technical assistant, 25,000 to 1,05,000 for engineering assistant. 1 security officer, 11 technical assistant and 24 technician post vacancy in CSIR Central Electronics Engineering Research Institute. Eligibility: ITI diploma. Age limit 28 years for technical assistant and technician, 35 years for security officer. Last date for application 1 March 2022. Salary as per pay level 2, 6 and 7. NHPC Limited vacancy for junior engineer. Eligibility: diploma in civil, electrical and mechanical engineering with 60%. Age limit maximum 30 years. Last date for application 21 February 2022. Application fees 295 for general, EWS, OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen. Power Grid recruitment of assistant engineer through GATE 2021. Eligibility: BE or BTech in computer science, information technology, civil, electronics and electrical engineering. Age limit maximum 28 years. Application process: apply online through www.powergrid.in by providing GATE 2021 details. Last date for application 20 February 2022. Junior Research Fellow post vacancy in Defense Bioengineering and Electrochemical Laboratory. Eligibility: BE or BTech in Mechanical, Biomedical, Polymer Science, Chemical Engineering with GATE or NET. MSc in Chemistry, ME or MTech in Mechanical, Biomedical, Polymer Science, Chemical Engineering. Age limit maximum 28 years. Application procedure: send application in prescribed application format in the DRDO website with scanned copies of all documents to the email ID hrdDEBL@debl.drdo.in before 20 February. Thanks for watching till the end.